Alright everybody, I am back. It has been less than a week and I was getting sick of this design and I remembered how much I love painting my nails. So I'm going to do another design. It's going to be easy, short, and then I'm going to slowly up the difficulty once I learn editing and keeping my videos super short. So this is the state of my nails now. I do have 2 breaks on my index finger and my ring finger on my left hand, but I'm just gonna paint over them and then I'll probably let them fully break next week. But I really wanted long nails for this design I'm going to do. So this is the state of my nails now. I'm going to show you the design that I'm going to do. This is my inspiration, and so I'll do a design similar to this, just inspired by it. So of course I'll put the link in the description to my Pinterest board where I have this inspiration too. So let me go through what I'm going to be using, and then I will come back. I had to plug it in, sorry, my phone. And then I'm going to come back with all of this glitter and gold off of my nails, and I'll explain the rest of the design. Alright? Okay, so this was the color palette that I was using, that I'm planning on using, the nude and the red. I have not yet figured out how to work that glitter in there. I probably just won't work it in at all, but we'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling. So that's the color palette. The red I'm using is Shiny number 7. The nude that I'm using is from Clean Color, and it is Sheer Pastel Cocoa. This is actually one of my favorite colors. I've used that in a number of designs. This was the glitter. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but I'll show it anyway. It's Sinful Colors. Sorry about that. And it is Supernova. Of course, I'm going to be doing the black stripes with my infamous eyeliner that has black nail polish funneled into it. The base coat is the gel polish base coat that I'm going to be curing, and the UV light that I have up to the side, and the top coat is Sally Hansen's Insta Dry. So oh, and of course some cheeky jewels. Got it from Amazon. Really easy. As you can see, I've been using them. Simple as that. Okay, so I'm going to take all of this off, come back with a base coat, and then we will move on to the next step. Okay, so I got most of the polish off. There's still a bunch of glitter everywhere, so you'll probably see that on camera, but probably after this design I'm gonna cut my nails short, or maybe I'll just leave them long because there's gonna be 2 more breaks on this hand like I told you, so we'll see. Okay, so nail polish is off, base coat is on. I'm going to show you the design one more time, and I'm going to show you what I have planned, like my blueprint. So this is my inspiration, so I'll have the link to that, but mine's going to be a little different. As you can see here, I drew my hand, and I'm thinking of doing just solids for these 4, and then just do the accent nail on the ring finger. So yeah, so that's the plan. So I'm gonna put down all my base colors. I'm gonna come back, show you how to do the accent finger, and that's pretty much gonna be the end of this video. It's dirt everywhere. It's pretty easy. So yeah, just keep watching. Okay, so I now have on the base colors. I did the pastel cocoa on the thumb, the ring finger, and the pinky finger. And I did the middle finger and the pointer finger red, as you can see, obviously. So now I'm going to show you how to do the accent nail. And then I'm going to, once I show that, speed through the rest of it. And then that'll be pretty much the end of the video. So I'm going to see if I can get a little bit closer. As close as I can, just to really help you see this accent nail. Oh, that's super close. Let's go closer. That's super close. Look at that black speck on my nail. Okay. Ow, what was that? Okay, you can see stuff up close. Alright, so first things first is to place the black and red jewels, gems, stones, whatever you want to call it, down the center, all the way up the nail. And then it's just going to be a black stripe on either side. So I'm going to start with the black stripe. I'm using my liquid eyeliner filled with black nail polish. Oops, sorry about that. Let me open it. Need both hands to open it, apparently. Okay. So now I got that. Let's see if we can slip back in there. There we go. So I'm just going to take my striper and I'm going to go down, what is this, about a third of the nail, fourth of the nail in, and then just paint all one stripe all the way down. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's a little thicker on top, but that's okay. Okay? And then I'm going to do one on the other side, which is going to be hard to do on camera, so I'm going to do it off camera. Even doing it off camera, I still didn't get it perfect. But that's okay. You don't need perfection. So I'm going to darken this one up a bit. See? Darken that up. Just like that. Okay? And then my hand is still wet from putting the base color. So I'm going to grab some jewels, go to the black side, go to the red side, twist, 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 twist. Moving kind of fast, as you can tell. I have my tweezers. And we're just going to start placing jewels. Okay. So the picture shows the black first, so I'm going to go black first. It's a little tight in the, there we go. I'm just going to show a few so you don't have to sit through all of this. Ah, I lost my jewel. There we go. Okay. Ah, I lost my jewel. Let's see here. The tweezers hold them, but it just doesn't even hold them. Let's go up a little bit. The camera angle. Alright, and I got the jewel, and I'm going to place, well, it's on my skin now. I'm just going to scoot it with the back of the tweezers onto my nail. There we go. Gently press down on that. Oh no, I gently pressed down and it came right off. So to fix that, I'm going to put a little bit of top coat on it since it doesn't want to stick to my wet nail. So I'm going to wipe all the excess off of the brush as much as possible, and then just place that down the center of my nail. Just give it some wetness for my jewels. Now let's try again. See, nobody's perfect, so trial and error to get it just right. Okay, there we go. Place it. it's placed, and scoot it a little. Okay, now I'm gonna gently tap it. There we go. See there? We got one black one. And you could even leave this design like this. This is kind of cute too. But I'm gonna go all the way up the nail, just because it's the only thing that I have on my nails. It's not really exciting either way. So, all right, let's go for a red one. Sorry, I'm grabbing the jewel here. Na, 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 na. Okay, so it's there, and then it is fast drying, so I might have to put another coat, but it's okay. Alright, there we go. That's the second one. I gently press it, and then I'm just going to continue all the way up the nail. I mean, you could even leave it like this. Look how cute that is. But I'm going to keep going. It's weird because I have to switch back and forth between red and black. See, I have to twist the little thing. So I'm going back and forth in red, so it's going to take a while. And I don't want you to sit through that. So we are going to speed up the video right. But it's too far forward. Right. Oh, the other black one fell off. This is gonna take a while, guys. I'm gonna speed it up right now. Okay, so I finished it, and to be honest, I'm not feeling it. Not because I didn't do it like the picture. I don't try to do it like the picture. I'm just, you know, this is my inspiration. I put a top coat and I cleaned up around the edges with some nail polish remover, but I'm not really feeling it. I don't know. You have to tell me what you think about it. But I'm thinking of changing the accent nails. I think that's what I don't like. On the picture it looked so good, but I don't like it on me. So I don't know. What do you think? Yes, no, maybe so. You know, let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna wear it for a day. I'll come back and do the final outro tomorrow. So we'll see if it grows on me. Okay, so after wearing this design for a day, it definitely has grown on me. It's been a while since I've actually had red nails, and I am just loving it so much. So I think I'm gonna keep my nails like super long, and I think the next design I'm gonna do is gonna be something involving red, but we'll see. Overall, it's growing on me. I know yesterday I was saying how I didn't like it, but it's not bad. If I had to do it over, I don't think I would have did the black lines. On this hand it's not too bad, but on this one I made the line really thick, so I don't like it. But other than that, I wouldn't change a thing. So this is the result after a day. It's grown on me, so I get to keep it on for about a week. I'll try to see if I can do another video before Thanksgiving, before I go home, because I'm at school now. But we will see. Just, you know, keep watching. But I don't know. You guys tell me what you think, and I will catch you guys in the next video.
about it, you really business, and you know exactly what I wanna do, then I'ma get a business to you.